Do you ever get times when you get so fed up you could weep and then everything goes wrong, and then you get more fed up and then you could weep some more and it goes more and more wrong? I'm having one of those moments. So if I start reading things out wrong, just shout at the computer. Shout loud and proud. So, match and 4 different meanings. This can turn up in the comprehension. Sometimes it can be quite clear which of these does not mean what are the others. But what one word means as opposed to, or matching them up, it's guaranteed to be there one way or another. So, match. We have got, it could be a light for a fire. So, that kind of a match. Or it could be a competition. The tennis match lasted for hours. Or it could be a union. We found a nice young man for our daughter. They seem to be a good match, a good union. And look at this union. Why isn't it eon? How can you tell? I mean, because it could be unimpressed. So it would still be with a vowel, wouldn't it? I don't know. If there's a rule, phone me up, let me know, because it's driving me nuts. So a union is another word for a match. It's when 2 people, it's a good union. It's a good match. And then a likeness. Well, I know. The young man across the road asked, I thought that's very sweet, he said, "Can I take a photo of you, Sarah?" Click, and he made it to look like the male version of myself. And it was a perfect match for my brother. It was a really good likeness of my brother. Slightly worrying. I don't think I'm going to tell him. See you soon. Bye-bye.